Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Yami and this is my little corner of the internet where I share pretty much my entire life. And right now I am actually getting ready to work out. Hi. I was gonna vlog in the garage, but it's really dark, and so I just decided to start it here. Got a lot going on today. We have a little get together tonight, and then this next week is gonna be insane. So let's get it started, shall we? I'm just gonna do some cardio today. I'm walking on an incline for about 30-40 minutes. Haven't decided how long, but I'm gonna come back and update y'all when I shower, all that good stuff, and yeah, let's get this day started. All right, friends, just showered and got ready for the day. I mentioned that we're having a little getty. I don't know, do you guys know what getty means? In Miami, growing up, like in high school and college, we would say, oh, let's go have a getty. It's like a get together. I don't know. Anyway, we're doing that today. And so I'm not like completely doing my face and my hair, but I wanted to look semi put together. So I think I found what I've been looking for. I don't know if I mentioned it here or on Instagram, but I was looking for a product that I can like just throw on my face to kind of even up my skin tone. Nothing too crazy, not like heavy foundation, just like something really just really light, just to balance out my foundation or my skin tone. And I was using the Ilia, but the Ilia I like as a foundation, and I didn't want to like waste it on like me staying at home, you know what I mean? So I saw somebody talked about the Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. It's with hyaluronic acid and squalene, oil free, sheer to medium. I would definitely say this is not a foundation, but it does what I want it to do. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see that like it's like a little luminous, like very tiny luminosity. I have a red spot right here and all along here, and I just wanted to like even it out because I like to look even. And this was $4, $5, and I love it. I'm in the shade medium tan. It's a little bit pink, but nothing too crazy. So just wanted to share that. And since we're in the office, I wanted to show you what we did. I didn't take a picture of the before, but I'm sure I can find some footage of what it used to look like. So I've had these from IKEA, but they were in closer to like the window. I thought that would look good if I like did that, but my friend who's an interior designer, she's like, no, spread it out, really take up that room. And then my desk, I took the black one out of here, and then I had this IKEA drawer, and then I bought this one at IKEA, obviously, at the as is section. So I was like, let's just make this my desk because the one that I want, the one that I really want, I'll insert here, but it's like $1,000, and then it's also not going to be available till like next year. And I was like, you know what, let me just work with what I have, not be so like, I don't know about you, but when I think about things like, oh, I can only work in this space if it's absolutely perfect, and to me perfect is me with that desk, but it's not, that's not the case. So I was like, let me work with what I have. So we ended up buying this tabletop at IKEA online, and Taz picked it up for me yesterday. This is the longer version, I think the 70 something, and I actually like it a lot. It's not done at all, but I like the all white. I wanted it very light, very airy. That's not gonna go there. I was just playing around with it yesterday, and then I brought in the mirror from outside. This is a rower that I was working with a brand. It's not mine. It's like borrowed for now. But then here, this is where I do my live workouts and film my videos. I really want something like fun for this space. I thought about the idea of like having like a neon light, but I'm kind of over that, and I don't even know what it would say. Then I thought about wallpaper, but I don't really love wallpaper. So if you have any ideas on how to make this wall kind of like a focal point for my videos and for my workouts and stuff, I'd really appreciate the help. And then lastly, these walls are, it's called Whiskers, the color, and it's like a light gray. And so we were swatching some paints, and this is what we're working with so far. So this is a Chantilly lace. It's like very cool tone. I don't think I like that one. This is what we used in our laundry room, which I've never showed you. Maybe I'll show you that today. And then this, which I think looks pretty good, It looks almost the gray, but it's not. It's actually these white molding. It's the color of our walls, but it looks so different because it's up against the gray. So I think I'm leaning towards these two, or I might go get more swatches because I don't want to make such a fast decision in a room that I'm going to literally live in 24/7. And then lastly, what I want to do in here, well, no, not lastly, I did want to do the molding, like the Parisian vibe molding, still TBD on that. And then I also want to get a chandelier right here. I'm toying with the type of chandelier. Do I want to go romantic all the way, or do I want to go more modern? So I'm still thinking about that. And then I also want to change the floors, but I want to change the floors on the entire house. So I don't know if that's gonna happen. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Not mad about it. It's still very calming. I love that. I'm gonna add some curtains, a rod, sorry about the light. A curtain rod, then like soft curtains right here, make it a whole thing. And then this mirror is not staying. I just put it here for now to see if I like it. I really want the gold oversized mirror. So that's a quick office update. Now I'm going to look at my to-do list, things I have to do. I'm wondering if I want to clean first or work first. I think work, because once I start cleaning, she's in deep, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get some work done, and I'll come back in a little bit. Guys, I got a PR thing and I wanted to open it. Okay. This is from J.R. Watkins. It's like a little wake up. Oh my gosh, wait. It says wake up with J.R. Watkins. Cute little mailer. Cutie. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh, fun. I don't know what it is though, but it's cool. Hold on, I need my hands. But let's see. Ooh, body oil mist. I actually love this. I got this body wash. Ooh, this is what I've been craving. This is the shower mist, because you guys know I had the eucalyptus and it didn't do anything. So I'm excited to try that. And then, ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a frother, I think. But where's the little frothy thingy? Oh, matcha! I'm excited. And then, oh, cute little matcha bears. Oh, this is a really cute package. I gotta find this though. Or is it in here? Hold on, please. Figured it out. It's in here. Let me put it there. And then you whisk away. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so cute. Thank you so much, J.R. Watkins. Hello, friends. It's 2:20. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Thank you. I don't want to get copyrighted. I am picking up the video camera for a very special announcement. Taz is here. What you doing, baby?
What does this look like? What is this?
He brought out the KitchenAid.
What do you think's happening right now? Some of you OGs. Oh, back to work.
I am making, oh, that is full to the brim. The coffee's the same coffee and it's never that. Anyway, making myself some coffee. I am almost done with work. I have to finish a couple things. Have to package some orders, and then I am good to just kind of unplug from work and finish cleaning up. Bro, our bedroom right now is just a hot mess because we're doing laundry. Look at this. I guess it's not a hot mess, it's just that I still haven't unpacked from our little unplugged getaway, which I haven't even mentioned, but this is the laundry room. I don't think I've shared it, but we installed that light. We added these two here. I'll put a picture of what it used to look like. And then we put this here too. So yeah, it's cute. We did a wallpaper, painted the walls white, and I love it. And then what we did here, it's just a puck light. We just did a puck light, and then it just is remote controlled. So we can just turn it on. It's just glued onto that. There's no electrical wiring on that. Well, that's that. I was doing some cleaning here. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work, drink my coffee so I can finally finish cleaning and start with the charcuterie board, get dressed, and my makeup, the whole thing. Okay, see you soon. Wowzers!
Changes our minds, so let's stay on the couch.
Hi friends, sorry that the lighting in here is horrible. I'm just getting ready for tonight, and I just remembered I was getting ready to set my face with this, and by the time this video goes up, the Sephora sale is going to go up. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out, but it is like the savings of the year, and it's a great time to buy like those higher end products like this Givenchy setting powder. It's literally my favorite. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Literally my favorite, and this is not sponsored by any means. I really wish it were, but it's not. I will never go to another setting powder ever again. Let's see if I show you what it looks like. You use it with a little pad, and my camera is about to die, so let's try to see if I can just fast. You grab some of it, and then you blend it out in the back of your hand, and then you press it, and it smells so beautiful. Let's see if you can see the difference. Oh, that's like really bright now. Okay, I can't win here. How about here? It's honestly, you can see the difference, and it doesn't crease throughout the day. You can kind of see how smooth it is on this side. I love it so much. I'll link the one I'm using in the description box below, but I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I can show you guys the charcuterie board that I'm making. Okay, makeup is 90% done. I just gotta put on my lippies, and then I gotta change, put on jewelry and stuff like that. But it's 5 o'clock and Taz is working on some appetizers. This is literally Taz's favorite appetizer. It doesn't matter what event it is. It could be like a gala and he'll be like, pigs in a blanket. So he's making those. The cookies are done. They look amazing. And then this is like my little setup for charcuterie board. I'm gonna have another one. Actually, this needs to go over here. I'm gonna have another board here. And then we have our chips here. And then I think I'm going to start building out the charcuterie board because people are gonna start getting here at like 5:40. And I want it to be like 90% done, you know what I'm saying? Since my makeup is already done, my hair is pretty much done. I'm just gonna change, and that'll take 2 seconds. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on the charcuterie board. And okay, so this is gonna sound really funny, but people, every time I post a charcuterie board, everyone's like, oh, do a tutorial. And I'm like, wait, what? I am no charcuterie connoisseur slash master. But I think the thing about a charcuterie board is that you can literally do whatever and it'll look good. So I'm gonna take out everything that I'm gonna use, and then I'll come back and tell you what I'm doing. Okay, let's review everything I have. Olives. Okay, honestly, there is no rhyme or reason on how I made this or how I make this. I just pick a bunch of cheeses. I'm not a cheese connoisseur. I don't know what pairs well with what. I literally just put stuff together. We have some leftover herb and garlic and herbs goat cheese, then aged Asiago, so good, plain goat cheese, natural Gouda cheese, and sharp cheddar. That is the cheeses. And then the meats, we have Genoa salami, prosciutto, of course. And then we have this beef summer sausage. And then we got these pre-made pepperoni and mozzarella. So what we did with this is whatever we didn't have, we just bought these pre-made. And these are pretty because these are great because they look pretty on the charcuterie board since they're already rolled up for you. And then I got olive bruschetta as a dip. Let's just keep on with dips. Garlic and herb, this is so good, and I love it with these Simply Thins, or Good Thins Simply Salt. This is the garlic and herbs alouette dip. Then I have some Ithaca hummus. We have some feta cheese in case someone wants feta cheese. Tzatziki. And then for the crackers, oh no, this is the dips, or for to dip. We have these carrots and then grapes. I just remembered we need honey for the goat cheese. I can't wait for a cracker with some goat cheese on top and a little bit of honey. It'll blow your mind. I promise you. Okay, so I went through the grapes, the carrots, oh, and then the crackers. I mentioned these good thins. They are made with sea salt, made with rice. These are so light and they're so yummy. Then I got these multi-seed crisps, baked snack crackers with sesame, quinoa, flax, amaranth seeds. And then I got, can't go wrong with the mix. This is a mix entertainment cracker selection. We have poppy and pepper, sea salt and black pepper, stone ground wheat, rosemary, wheat and flax, and multigrain. So they pretty much did it for me. So now all I'm gonna do, oh, those crackers. I hope they didn't break too bad. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm literally just gonna place things, no rhyme or reason. One tip is you wanna get things with different cuts. So like for the meats, we got these that are sliced, these pepperoni cut, and then this, I'm probably just gonna leave it like this. I'll probably cut a couple slices so you can be like, oh, here, this is for you to cut. So, you know, the pepperoni and mozzarella are all done. I'm gonna transfer the dips into these little guys, the olives too. Same thing with the cheeses. So we have a round one, this block that I'm gonna cut up into squares. This one I'll probably leave like this. And yeah, and then just have fun with it. I'm gonna see if I can make a time lapse of me doing this. That could be fun. I just gotta figure out how to do that. All right, let's get started. Okay, I've never done a charcuterie time lapse before, but I might have to do that more often because that was so much fun. It looks so good. But what I was saying to Taz is, while we were making it, is that it's like a trust the process type process. At first you're like, oh, this is not cute. And then once you start putting more and more stuff on there, it just turns out beautifully. You obviously already saw it. Oh my God, the colors look so good. Wow, it's like a very fall charcuterie board. And then we have chips, blank, the salsa, those over there, and then pigs in a blanket. But it looks so good. We have 3 different boards because we don't have one huge one, but I love it. This is about to fall. Okay, there. And I also put things that I want to eat together, or like, oh, people are here, gotta go. I've already been here. Hi friends, it's now the next day. It's already 2 o'clock. I've worked out. And I'm just working here at home, but now I am going to go to a model's house to do a fitting for the new collection, and I'm so excited. This is a really weird angle, but I'm gonna close the vlog off right here because I have lots going on and I have to go to do some shopping for some props and stuff for the shoot. We're shooting on Monday, and so we've got a lot to do. And I also have to edit this video, so I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. So thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.